there, military enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into why Azerbaijan's JF-17C jets might just outclass Armenia's Su-30SM fighters, at least according to Pakistani expert Hamza Ajar Salam. First off, let's talk acquisition. Azerbaijan's move to obtain the Chinese-made JF-17C Block 3 jets is a game-changer. These jets are armed with advanced AESA radar and PL-15E missiles, giving them a huge edge. The PL-15E missiles, with a range of 145 kilometers, allow these jets to engage targets from a safe distance, far beyond the reach of Armenia's Su-30SM. And it's not just about the range. The JF-17C is more maneuverable than the Su-30SM, which can make all the difference in a dogfight. So, from an aerial combat perspective, the JF-17C holds significant advantages. But there's more. The acquisition of these jets isn't just about firepower. It's a strategic move that showcases Azerbaijan's growing military might and its resolve to protect its interests in the region. This shift could potentially alter the balance of power in the South Caucasus. Now, effectiveness in combat, that's where things get interesting. While the JF-17C has seen deployment before, it hasn't gone head-to-head with the Su-30SM just yet. The real test will come down to pilot training, aircraft maintenance, and the strategic context of any future conflict. Remember, these perspectives are from Hamza Ajar Salam and don't necessarily reflect any government stance. Only time will tell how these aircraft will truly perform in a real-world scenario. So what do you think? Could Azerbaijan's JF-17C jets tip the scales against Armenia's Su-30SM? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more military insights. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.